I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay, I'm the canvas and the painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crash, is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting free to color, lead the muses like a Apollo, all the colors layered on kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor, a burning negro like branches that on Daphne turn and living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa. Masterpieces take a lifetime, and patience is a peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful, you know who you were a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crash, is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting free to color, lead the muses like a Apollo, all the colors layered on kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor, a burning negro like branches that on Daphne turn and living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa. La la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la la la. I live art, I breathe art, I myself, I am art. Artists will become what they create. I live art, I breathe art, I myself, I am art. Artists will become what they create.